What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP. As you guys can see, we are slightly on the green side. It is up just over 2% in the last 24 hours. Not just Bitcoin, sorry, not just AMP, but Bitcoin is also on the green side. As you guys can see, it is currently up 2% and valued at $68,000, which is quite of a huge news for the crypto market, as it hasn't hit this target in a while. Well, it did and then dropped back down to under $60,000, and right now it is back up. So majority of the cryptos are on the green side, and we can also see AMP, which we are going to be focusing on today, it is slowly starting to increase. So how high can it go? Can it potentially hit the 1 cent target over the coming days and weeks? And also looking at its long-term prediction in 2024, how high and how low the crypto can go, and essentially, is this a crypto worth investing into? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, AMP is currently trading in the green zone. However, over the last few weeks it has been getting lower and lower into the green zone and getting closer to the red zone resistance target, which is right here. However, I am expecting it to essentially hit the resistance level and bounce back up, potentially heading up into the green zone, dark green zone, and into the blue zone over the coming months, is what my predictions are on AMP. But we'll get into more detail very soon. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly lower value here in green, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. Reason is looking quite steep is because of the increase that's taken place over the last few hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is clearly not the case. So in the early hours of tomorrow midday, I'm expecting AMP to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy, potentially heading up to 0.0072, 0.0074 cents in value is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at. So again, do expect green candles and red candles in between, likely to be quite volatile. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to slightly be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So again, we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and once again they are looking quite steep as well. So this is not as realistic as it seems once again. Reason exact same as the previous chart that we saw. Essentially, over the coming week or so, over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting AMP to have gone through an overall increase in value, getting closer up to 0.008 cents in value is where I'm expecting AMP to be getting close to. Again, not just AMP, but I'm also expecting the crypto market to be heading upwards towards the bullish direction over the coming week or so, hitting green candles. Again, it's not going to be a major pump or a breakout or anything like that, but minimal increases in value in the crypto market is what my expectations are. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, as you guys can see, we are not looking too steep at all, but we still have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning this is much more realistic than what we saw in the last two charts. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July 2024, AMP should have gone way over the 1 cent target. Getting close to the 2 cents value is what my expectations are at the moment. I'm expecting huge increases in the crypto market, with also Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high by late June, early July, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. However, you guys know how the crypto market has been recently quite volatile, with both major crashes and pumps as well. So I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market. But at the moment, I'm expecting more green candles on the crypto market over the coming weeks and months as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we saw at the start of the video, the crypto is currently in the green zone. So what I'm expecting is for it to essentially hit the resistance level, take a little dip back down, and then potentially bounce back up into the green zone, into the dark green zone here in mid-June, July, and potentially head into the blue zone and into the top tier level here over the next 2 to 3 months is what my expectations are. If there are any changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 65% in the last 24 hours, making it over $15 million in trading, which is again quite a huge increase. However, due to the pump that's just taking place right now, I'm expecting more and more people to start trading the crypto, meaning the trading volume should go even higher than where it is at the moment over the coming weeks. So moving on to the daily chart, the weekly chart, it is just about 0.12%, guys. Again, nothing too major. It has been quite volatile with ups and downs, but the overall outcome has been neutral over the last week. And over the month, as you guys can see, is down 8%, which is not looking too great. We're zooming out a little bit here. It has taken quite of a dip. However, it is slowly starting to increase in value, and I'm expecting it to carry on this way over the coming days, weeks and months as well, potentially heading over the 1 cent target. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting AMP to hit the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot. That means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.